is CSI Portsmouth. Tell us about CSI Portsmouth.
Well, CSI Portsmouth is an event that is happening in John Pounds Centre, Queen Street in Portsmouth, on Saturday the 3rd of November this year. It's the third year that we've done CSI Portsmouth, and I say we. It was my idea to sort of bring together crime writers and crime experts, and I've been fortunate that the Hayling Island Bookshop and Portsmouth City Libraries have helped organise this, and it's run as part of Portsmouth Book Fest, Festival of Books. And as I said, we bring together crime writers and crime experts to talk about crime fiction versus crime fact. So this year we have on Saturday morning, the 3rd of November, I've got Matt Hilton, who's a very well-known thriller writer, I would say. He's published internationally, and he's coming all the way from the north of England to join us, with Stephen Booth, who's a crime writer. He writes the Ben Cooper and Diane Fry series, and they're actually set in the Peak District, and myself. And then in the afternoon, we've got Anne Cleeves, who is the author of, some of your listeners might know, the Vera series on ITV. She created the Detective Vera, and she's also written novels set in the Shetlands, and they're about to be screened, I think, on BBC. So Anne joins us in the afternoon. And we've got some fantastic crime experts, which I'm sure are going to be fascinating. I mean, I can't wait to listen to them. In the morning, we've got Carolyn Lovell from Hampshire Police, and she's the crime scene manager coordinator. So she organises all the crime scene experts and manages the crime scenes of any crime, major crime in Hampshire. So she's also a forensic archaeologist. So that should be very interesting. And with her, we've got DC Terry Fitzjohn, who's also Hampshire Police, and he's a fire investigation officer. And he's coming with Watch Manager Andy Earle from Hampshire Fire and Rescue Services, and they form the Arson Task Force. So we're going to be discussing sort of gruesome bodies in the morning. We'll be discussing sort of crime scenes and fire investigations and the forensics around that, and how that differs possibly from what we put in our crime novels, and whether we draw on that. And then in the afternoon, we have Adrian Fretter, who is from Hampshire Police High Tech Crime Unit. And we've also got with him Professor Bran Nicol, who's from Surrey University, and he's an expert on internet stalking. And we've got Dr. Mark Button from Portsmouth University, who's an expert on fraud. So for the afternoon, as well as talking about crime generally, we'll actually be looking at cybercrime and, maybe sort of the social networking, the bullying, perhaps the stalking. I mean, it's a huge area, cybercrime, and it's a real scary area because it's something that's very difficult to police. So that should be really interesting as well.
How much does it cost to get in?
It costs £10 for the day, and out of that £10, you get £3 off a book. That you buy on the day, which will be signed, obviously. So that brings it down, if my maths is correct, to £7. And if you're a Portsmouth City Library member, then you get another £1 off, and you can join on the day to get the £1 off. So it's very good value. If you can't come for the day, you can come just for the morning or just for the afternoon, but it costs £6 for the morning and £6 for the afternoon.
Okay. What about refreshments?
There's a cafe. There's a little cafe in the John Pounds Centre, which is really very pleasant. So people can buy themselves a lunch there, or bring their own lunch and go and sit down on the harbour and come back. So it starts at 10 o'clock in the morning and runs through to 12:30, and then in the afternoon it starts at 2 and runs through to 4:30. And we've also got the Fingerprint Bureau there, who will be taking fingerprints, if you'd like your fingerprints taken, and pressed into a keyring as a keepsake to take away.
Sounds like Butlins.
Yes, very popular that. And we've also got students from South Downs College who are on the forensic science course there, and they are actually doing a mock-up of a crime scene with all the gear, the white gear that you see on the television sets, and they're doing a quiz and a crime scene there, so they'll be there as well. So and we've got the bookshop, I should say, from Hayling Island Bookshop will be there as well.
It sounds fantastic. So that's Saturday the 3rd of November, John Pounds Centre. And where do we get our tickets from?
The tickets are available from the box office, which is open Monday to Friday.
That's the John Pounds Centre box
No,
office.
it's a different number actually. So I just have to give you the number for that.
Okay.
It's 023 9268 8037.
Pauline, thank you so much for coming in and chatting to me again.
You're welcome.